Hi guys, so right now I am sitting in a 2009 Cobalt, I believe. Just check, this isn't a regular, yeah, it's here, yeah it is, 2009 Cobalt. It's a capture test free vehicle, that's why this sticker looks like that. Anyways, so I just sat in here and I'm just looking around. I'm not really too fascinated by Cobalt, but I did notice one thing different. So I was looking at the stereo here, and it just looks like normal, like in the past GM vehicles and Chevy vehicles, and I noticed one thing different. This right here. And yes, that is a USB port. That's exactly what I was thinking. Just a little rubber cap here, and it's a USB port. And then I was wondering, wait, what could that be for? And I was just like, maybe my iPod. So I have my iPod here. Just song ready, and I got my iPod cord for my computer. It just comes with your iPod, and we just plug it in here. Hold on, just gotta. And plug it in, and it says USB device connecting. And whoa, you can see that it says accessory attached for my iPod, which is just connected to it. And now I can control my iPod all from the stereo right here with this dial, these dials. Let's see. You can play it and just click it. No. Oh, it is playing. Let's even change the song. There we go. It's a more familiar song. Anyways, so yeah, you can control your whole iPod, I guess, for new GM or Chevy 09 vehicles. See, just an iPod. I can't really see it that well. Playlists, I'll read it off. Artists, albums, songs, podcasts, genres, composers, audiobooks, just like my iPod. I thought it was pretty cool. And then just click dial, playlists. All my playlists are here. It's so much easier to control. And this is a bag button. And artists. Let's see. It's it. Artists. And here's all my artists. And I can just scroll down through my artists really easily. This is playing right now. Viva La Vida. And you're wondering what now playing looks like. It would be like this. It says Viva La Vida Coldplay. Let's see if I can press info. Okay, so it tells me how long the song is, and it tells me how long has elapsed. And I know. Oh, here we go. This is pause, play. This would be, shuffling the songs. Shuffle what? Single? S? Shuffle A? Shuffle S? I guess it's shuffle all and shuffle single, but what would you shuffle for single? And this is just repeat one, I guess. And this button would be, it would be like going, so this is like your touch wheel iPod, and it'd be the left button, like going back in the menus. Anyways, that's really it, and you just control your whole iPod from the stereo, which is so convenient, I feel, because I'm used to using this right here, plugging it in and then plugging it into right there, and like I'm always driving and trying to pick a song at the same time. It's kind of difficult and dangerous. Anyways, I just thought this was really cool. And I haven't seen anything on YouTube or anything, or even online articles, so maybe this is new, maybe this isn't fairly new. I don't know. It's new to me, so. Anyways, let's see, put this back. Yep. And that's it.